It's real, I'm not acting drama. It's real. I remember only. Because I'm so tired. Yani, I work hard. I want to rest. When the man is distributing the food to all, my son is wanted some also. Then they said, no, go away. It's hard. Sobrang sakit sa isang ina na makita mo yung anak mo na ganun, kaya ganyan ako kadesperada na magtapaw. Nung nakita ko yun, na ginanon yung anak ko, nilapitan ko. Sabi ko, why you do that to my son? He is my son. Because he is not wearing good clothes. And he is like look a child, a poor